Hello there, dear viewers. It is I, the spectacular SpoderJedi, here with another video. One that is very important. But first, I must do a face reveal. Hey, what's up? This is my face in drawing form, of course. So, today I thought I would talk about something very important, the coronavirus. And I'm sure most of you have heard this by now. Oh, but Spooder, the coronavirus isn't that bad. You're making a big deal out of nothing. Well, sure, it might be, but take this into consideration. Danny DeVito could get the coronavirus. Are you taking it seriously now? Good. You should be. And now, here are the top 5 things you should do to prevent the coronavirus. Number 5, don't touch your face. Touching your face means you decrease the chance of you getting sick, which means less coronavirus, which is good for you. High five right here, buddy. Just high five. I'm just going to pretend like you high-fived your screen, which hopefully you did. If not, you get slapped instead. Next one on the list is, don't go on a cruise. Hey, you. Hey. I see you buying those tickets. Don't do it. Don't you dare press that purchase button. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Number 3, don't cough or sneeze on someone. That's gross. Ew. Nobody likes that. Instead, cover yourself so that you don't get others sick. Number 2, stay away from people who are sick. If you see someone coughing or sneezing, then just... And our number 1 place we have, wash your freaking hands. I'm being serious, guys. Washing your hands is no big deal. Here, let me show you how it's done. You see this? Tell me what this is.
It's a giraffe.
Wrong. This is a sink. What you do with the sink is, you go over here to the handle, you just turn, I can't turn the thing, there. You turn it, you get the soap, you put the soap on your hands, scrub it all around, use the water, then you dry it off with a towel, like this one right here. There, now you know how to wash your hands. Better do it. Well, everyone, that was the top 5 ways to stay healthy during coronavirus season. And make sure you all... Oh, shoot.